Now I've finished my homework and it's really hot today, so now we're going to make a refreshing drink for ourselves. Now let's go! I'm not chopping anyone. Wait, I need my measuring cup. Do you have it? Wow, that's your Now we've got our ingredients. The ingredients are a hot chocolate packet for hot chocolate, our milk, and our measuring cup because we're going to measure how much milk we need to steam. Now we start making. First we'll get our milk, which I've got right here. We're just going to move everything else to the side. And we've got our measuring cup. We're going to put the measuring cup at 200 milliliters. So I'm going to put in. This is new. Now we've got 200 milliliters of milk. We are going to now steam it and put it into the microwave. Let's go. Now we have microwaved our milk. We are going to place it into our cup. Going to pour it in. That's a lot. And now we are going to add in our packet. Add it in. And now we are going to stir. This may take a while. Now I have finished stirring, and now we're going to serve, but before we serve, I'm just going to clean up a bit. So now we are going to taste together and we're going to see how yummy this is. This was super yummy and I really enjoy the flavor of it. Thank you for watching. Bye!